Hi everyone, it's Andrea Burnell. Um, in my written part of this post, I'm sure that it came across that, I have never been confronted by anything of the likes as what is happening now. And working for a state agency that deals with education, I have come to realize how few people really have any background in any kind of online or distance learning. And they are working as hard and as fast as they can to engage students and to try to make sure students continue to make effective educational progress. Special educators are trying to modify and accommodate and provide opportunities for distance therapies. Things are happening that if we had said, this is what needs to happen, it would be, months and months of trying to make sure you have the right platform and everybody knew what they were doing. But I guess necessity is the mother of invention. So everybody has just jumped in. And the people in my agency know that I have been teaching online, and my boss knows that I am enrolled in this program. So I feel really fortunate that they've come to me for some suggestions as to things that we can do at an agency level to try and help our communication be more effective. And one of the things that I did share with them, and I believe that this is from Darby, was the research behind the 6 minute or less video. So our commissioner was already doing that because that's just his nature, is to post things online and have short, really engaging videos. But I think word is starting to spread a little bit about the fact that we can't just produce these very dense documents. And even when we bring the reading level way down to make sure they're accessible, especially with family-based documents, we have to make sure that we're actually engaging people and not just handing them virtual pieces of paper. So that's come in really handy. You'll have to excuse me, I have to turn. I'll be side view because I use two screens, and I just haven't figured out how to get everything to work perfectly. But you'll see that I am sharing my screen, and this is my toolkit for online learning. And what I have done is I have actually shared from my communication strategies. I'm still working on the background because I can't change the font, but I have shared, as I gave you the actual direct links in my written comments. But I just wanted to show you a little bit about what my toolkit is. And once I get it to be a little bit more polished, my intention is really just to share this whole toolkit with my colleagues. Some of it will not be applicable for them because we're not teaching college courses, but as I start populating things in here, I think it's going to be really applicable for them in many areas, and they can use what they want and not use what they don't want. But I think giving them a little bit more information is going to be helpful, even if it's just sort of a jump off point for them. And it really does help that we've dug a little bit deeper, especially into the engagement. Because, and that's what I'm stressing, is that no matter what great work we do, that if we don't engage people, we're not going to make what we do accessible to them, or we're going to make it difficult for them to access things. So I hope all of you are doing well. I hope your families are doing well and everybody is staying safe and healthy. And hopefully things will start getting back to normal at some point. Hope to talk to all of you soon. And feel free to give me feedback on my toolkit. It's a little bit rough right now, but I'm working on it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.